Hello everybody, I am الیکی کوستوپولو. I'm talking to you from Karachi, Pakistan. I'm right now in the room that was given to me from my good friend and host, Lawala. I transformed the space in a space that I can maybe stay for a couple of days or months because nobody really knows where we're going to be able to fly again. So much more than feeling stuck, I feel that we am in service. So the initial idea to come here was to create a conscious space here in the city of Karachi to help all this community here to rise. So instead of choosing to just go into a state of fear, we're choosing to go into a state of expansion, and we're working in the idea of creating this global network of hidden treasures of consciousness that will allow our community to rise. So as soon as the situation is over and we're all back into our normal reality, we can go back to something better instead of something that is the same. And the only thing that I would like to help, to ask for help from everybody, is to really hold on. Don't slip into fear. We can create a better future. We can create a better reality. It's a choice. It's a chance of us to really unite and go beyond what we already know